and we know how to become authentic. I tell you, I do not know about other religions, but in Hinduism, if you can inspire, guide, enlighten 100 people, you can enlighten the whole Hinduism. Because it is so much freedom-based religion, in 100 people you will have the specimens of Ravana, Hiranyagarbha, Surpanaga, Hiranyaksha, Kamsa, Karna, Tarakasura, Tripurasura. In that 100 you will have all specimens, all Asuras and all Devas. And you will have Krishna, Rama, Devendra, Brahma. You will have all specimens, all gods and all demons in that 100. Because choice is the core message of Hinduism. It gives so much of choice. Such an amazing variety produced without compromising on the theology. Please understand, Upanishads are like a think tank. All the main concepts, what is life, what is karma, what is death, what is religion, what is dharma, main concepts are compiled in the form of a think tank in Upanishad. Each Purana makes those great ideas into an applied reality of your life. Mahabharata, along with the recording of the history of India, Bharat, Vyasa has done an amazing job of explaining all the important concepts and truths about life. Where will you find a better character portraying dedication than Bhishma? Where will you find a better character describing friendliness than Karna? Unimaginable dedication to that one ideology. Please listen. Unimaginable dedication to that one ideology. So each concept of Upanishads have become one character. That is the way Vyasa has recorded the Indian history. That is why, please understand, the newspapers can never be reread. Ultimate concepts will never be exciting, but Vyasa has mixed the ultimate concepts and the newspaper together. Please listen. Tabloids are always exciting, but can't be read every day. You will not take the newspaper which is published 10 years before and read today. A newspaper will be exciting only 24 hours. Because it is the happening, the day-to-day news. History, same way. The spiritual concepts, you will be able to read all over the world throughout the times. But it will not be exciting. You will never get excited when you read Upanishad. Please listen. It's a very important concept, very important truth. Age-old truths, ultimate truths, never excites you, and the things which excites you can never be read regularly. The happenings, Mahabharata would have been an amazing news every morning, the fresh news. Karna dead. Abhimanyu dead. The 11th day of the newspaper of Mahabharata war would have read headlines. False. Maya takes care. Whenever the great truths are revealed, it is not heard or recorded. Listen.
Understand, there are some informations, news value. Everyday, day-to-day news. And there are some informations, life value. Theory of reincarnation. It has life value, but it doesn't have a news value. The truth, the great truth of karma and dharma, it has a life value, but it doesn't have a news value. The informations of life value and informations of news value, understand these two. Upanishads are the informations of life value, and the day-to-day happenings are informations of news value. Vyasa, a greatest author ever happened on the planet Earth. Understand, he puts both together, and what he presented is Mahabharata. Still it has news value, not just life value. Not just life value. Arey, from my birth I am listening to Mahabharata. I don't know from when I am talking about Mahabharata. Now like a crazy child I am sitting and watching that Star Plus